What's up, YouTube? Promise Keeper. And this is a video I did not expect to be making. We got rid of our 2012 Caravan. That was a nightmare. Poorly engineered. Poor quality overall. We took it for one last vacation and had to ride it pretty hard through the mountains of Tennessee. And when we got back home, I was afraid to drive it. It was just worn out. So what you are looking at is my wife's new daily driver. The family loves it. It is extremely comfortable. Up until the past couple of weeks, it has been extremely quiet, which is why we are doing a video today. Now, this started out as a video looking into a possible bad wheel bearing. I'm having a little trouble telling if it's noise from the front left or front right. But today what I was doing was jacking it up, checking the play, and I was rotating the tire to see if I got any difference in the noise. Because what we're getting is a low speed roar, and even as you speed up to highway, there's no vibration, there's no pulling or anything like that, but the roar still gets louder. And while the cab is still quieter than the van by all means, this was extremely quiet when we bought it 2 months ago, and we've both noticed a difference in the comfort in riding in the cab now. Here's the unfortunate part. When I got confirmation from my wife that she heard the noise too, I started searching wheel bearings 2018 F150 and right away found other videos and comments, and apparently even with only 20 or 30,000 miles, the wheel bearings are going bad in these trucks. Now, with that being unfortunate, we are under warranty. We also bought an extended warranty, nothing out of my pocket except for the time. When I ventured back here to rotate the tires, here's what I found. So now when I call the dealership back to make my appointment, I not just telling them that I'm concerned about a front wheel bearing going bad prematurely, but we've got leaking from the rear differential. I've not had any drips that I've noticed, but the grease is still really fresh on the face where your drive shaft meets this. I knew it was a pretty common thing with a lot of Chevy rear ends. One reason why I'm not fond of the Silverados anymore anyway. But I've had a rear differential leak completely and then get destroyed, and we are not about that let that happen on this truck. So with that, all I can say is that if you are a new F-150 owner, beware. There are some common annoyances with these new trucks, and then there is apparently becoming more common some severe mechanical issues. Other than that, not much else to say. It is an awesome truck. This EcoBoost 6-cylinder is extremely fast. Even my wife, not being one typically into that kind of thing, she enjoys hearing those turbos kick in and this thing push you in the back of your seat. But we will update the video after a visit to the dealer here in about a week or two. Until then, good luck. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and have a Merry Christmas.